Creating a LinkedIn messaging ad. Hey there everyone! How do you like LinkedIn advertising so far? When compared to other social advertising solutions, this one goes a long way to help you maximize your results easily and at a very affordable rate. It's also packed with possibilities, including you send promoted messages to LinkedIn users. That's right. You can reach LinkedIn users right in their messaging inboxes simply by setting up an ad campaign. In this lesson, we're going to show you how it is done. Getting started. Let's start right off in the Campaign Manager dashboard. From there, move to the Accounts column and click on the ad account that you created for your company page. Then on the following page, click on the Create Campaign button. Setting up the campaign. Alright folks, time to set up the campaign for your messaging ad. Start by editing the name of the campaign in the Untitled Campaign field. Now select your objective. The objectives that allow you to create a messaging ad are website visits, lead generation, and website conversions. The objective that you choose will depend on what type of action you want to drive with your ad. For this example, we are going to select lead generation as the objective. This will help us generate inbox leads on LinkedIn. After selecting your objective, move to the Audience section to start configuring your audience reach. Start by adding your target locations and profile language if applies. Now move to the Who is your audience section and click on Narrow Audience further to select your targeting criteria. This is a very important step because you should only send promoted messages to the people that are very likely to respond and take action. Because of this, we recommend that you select many targeting criteria as it defines your audience. Okay, now move to the Ad Format section and select Message Ad. Now move to the Budget and Schedule section. Here you are going to enter your daily budget first. Next, you're going to select your schedule. For this example, we'll select a run campaign continuously from a start date. Now go to the Bid Type section. Here you are going to enter an amount that is superior than the suggested bid. Consider making it a few cents higher than what other advertisers are paying. You will find this information at the bottom of this section. Now that the campaign is fully set up, click on Next to save and continue. Creating the message ad. Now it is time to create your ad. For this, click on the Create New Ad button. This will open the message ad editor. Start by entering the name of this ad into the Ad Name field. Now click on the Sender tab. By default, your account will appear as a sender, but you can click on Add Sender to change this. Now click on the Message tab. Here you are going to compose the message. Start by adding your message subject. Next, compose your message in the Message Text field. Here we recommend that you open with a greeting and to insert the first name as a custom field to personalize the message. For this, simply type your greeting first. Then click on the Insert Custom Field menu button. Then select First Name. Now compose your message below. In your message, you should be brief and describe the point of your offer straight. In our case, we'll describe an invitation to join a mailing list with insider content that is exclusive for professionals in our niche. Now add a call to action and a landing page URL to show on your message. Now click on the Form Details tab. Here you are going to customize the lead capture form in your message. Start by entering the name of the form into the Form Name field. By adding a name to your form, you'll be able to save it and use it for other ads. Now enter your form headline into the Offer Headline field. Then enter your form copy into the Offer Details field. Now enter your site's privacy policy page URL into the Privacy Policy URL field. Now click on the Lead Details and Custom Questions field. As you can see here, the default form fields are the commonly used fields, but you can add more by selecting from the Profile Information menu below. You can also add custom questions and custom checkboxes, but this is not required. Now click on the Confirmation tab. Here you are going to enter your confirmation and thank you message into the message field. Then add your company website URL into the landing page URL field. Lastly, click on the Create button to save your ad and add it to the campaign. Then click on the next button to save and continue. Launching the campaign and sending your message ad. Now all that's left to do is to review your campaign settings and preview your message in the ad card at the bottom of this page. Then click on the Launch Campaign button, and that's it.